Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to feed alpaca in Heartopia. In Heartopia, one of the daily activities you can do is feeding wild animals, and one of the animals is alpaca. First you can find this alpaca on here, this one, near the Tranquil River Bridge over here. And then before feeding it, there's a trick. You can try to feed the alpaca during its favorite weather, which is sunny and rainbow weather. And doing this will increase the bond faster compared to normal conditions. And next, you can prepare its favorite foods. Alpacas love blueberry, pineapple, and wheat. Just tap on the truth and then just feed with its favorite food. Like this, and then just simply tap on feed. And okay, like this. After feeding regularly, your bond level will go up, and sometimes you will receive random rewards that appears at 6 a.m. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.